Ever wondered how websites are built? Or maybe you are trying to fix an element on a page. Let's dive into the world of web development on Chromebook with a simple yet powerful tool, Inspect Element. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to inspect element on Chromebook. The easiest way to inspect element on a Chromebook is by keyboard shortcuts. Now there are two shortcuts that you can use for this purpose. The first is Ctrl plus Shift plus I, and as you can see you have an elements page on the right of your screen. The second shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus C, which will also open the elements page. Now the difference between the two shortcuts is that Ctrl plus Shift plus C is a more dynamic shortcut when compared to Ctrl plus Shift plus I. For example, in Ctrl plus Shift plus C, you can hover your mouse over specific elements to see the code, where you cannot do that in Ctrl plus I plus Shift. The second way is to head to a specific element on a page and right click on it. Or if you have a touch screen, just long press on that element. For example, if I want to find the code of this picture, I'll long press the picture and then select Inspect. And as usual, the Inspect page will open. Now the third way is to head to the top right of the screen and press the three dots button. Hover your mouse over to More Tools and then select Developer Tools, which is the same as Ctrl plus Shift plus I as we have explained earlier. And these are the three methods by which you can easily inspect elements on Chromebook. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.